sir. How are
Hi.
you doing?
I'm doing good.
So, can you please explain us what your product is all about?
Yeah, hi. I'm Deepak Jadhav. I'm from CEO and founder of Physics Motors. Physics Motor is an electric vehicle drivetrain technology company. Electric drivetrain constitutes motor and controllers. So, to drive an electric vehicle revolution has started in India, but predominantly the motors and controllers are coming from China. So, here we are trying to solve the motor technology problem. So, this motor, what you have seen is a scooter motor. We call it as a hub motor, which sits on the rear wheel of a scooter and it drives the vehicle forward. So this is fully made in India technology.
Okay.
We have filed a patent on this, on the sealing technology. It's been granted. And we are a very core team member who do all the electromagnetic simulation, design, everything made in India.
So, what's your, where did you get started? Like, what is your ideology? When did you all started to take up until here?
So prior to starting Physics Motor, I worked for Applied Materials. It's a Silicon Valley based company. And I've been opportunity visiting Silicon Valley, California a lot, many times. And the EV revolution has started by Tesla. And right from 2006, we have seen Tesla hiring a lot of our own engineering team members and all joining. So Silicon Valley, like the trend we can see, what's the next trend? And that's where we wanted to do something good in renewable energy. So we took time and we put a very good team, and 3 years back we founded Physics Motors. So we have to always work on the inflection point, and the entire world is transitioning from IC to electric vehicle. So this is the right opportunity to do something core and solve the grassroots level technology problem here in India. That's where the Physics Motor is started.
Okay. So did you face any troubles or obstacles while taking your product into the people?
Yes. So this is a hardware. It's a pure hardware.
Okay.
So a lot of money, energy, and time goes building a product. So
how many years has it taken for you to build this?
Yeah, it's been 3 years, and
3 years.
this year
So
we have been
since 3 years you have been on this.
Working on this.
Okay.
Setting up entire manufacturing, tooling, jigs, molds, fixtures, setting up the entire factory.
Okay.
So a lot of grassroots level work has been done, and to get a customer also is very difficult.
Yes.
Because China has already been like supplying to a lot of Indian players.
True.
And to like get the put our product on the road, it takes fair amount of OEMs. They test our products rigorously, and then they send it for ICAT, ARI certification. Then only our products hit the road. So it's a fair amount of obstacles, but we have overcome, and now we are selling our products.
So, do you have a wonderful team with you? I hope you have.
Yes.
So, can you please let us know about your team and your efforts in putting it?
Yeah, so we have about 15-20 members of core R&D engineers.
Core R&D engineers. Okay.
So, we are good in electromagnetic simulation, structural design, simulation, and all other intermediate quality manufacturing. Everything is controlled in-house. And there are about 30 women employees at our facility.
30 women employees
who run the entire assembly line facility.
Great.
So, that's where we are located in the northern part of Karnataka, Hubli city. Okay. It's the second largest city in India. So we very specifically went to the northern region because we want to expand. Our vision is to set up a very large scale factory. So that's where the land availability, the industrial ecosystem, everything works well for us.
What is your experience in this Global Summit 2022 and what are your expectations from it?
Great. So this is a great summit to meet the very like-minded, all the entrepreneurs from this region, because we have been participating in the EV Auto Expo. The customer and the people who visit the stalls are different. That they are direct our customers most of the time, and here it's an ecosystem of entrepreneurs. Everyone is coming from a high profile background, so we try to learn, attending a lot of different sessions. They come here, walk in, and many of them are from UK market, American market. So they try. We are getting in touch with them to see if we can push our products to European or American market as well.
Great. Can you please let me know your education background? Because lot of new entrepreneurs or students who wanted to start their own startup will be very interested in knowing these things. What is your education qualification?
My education qualification, I am a BE mechanical engineer.
Oh, great.
Yeah. So from Hubli, BUV Engineering College, Hubli. It's a very reputed college.
Okay.
And prior to that, mechanical, my father started a manufacturing industry. So it's a 30 years of legacy.
Okay.
So born and brought up with machine tools. So that's a legacy. And then I worked for Applied Materials for 15 years.
Okay.
So I got exposed to very high-tech manufacturing, both in Silicon Valley and in Bangalore R&D Center. So with that pedigree, and we have found a very good PhD team. Our CTO is a PhD in electrical machine design. So with that, we have formed a very core team, and Physics Motor has been started.
What is your message for all the new young entrepreneurs out there?
So the message is like, this is the right time to start a startup, because Indian government is helping a lot. There are way too many problems in India to be solved.
So I forgot to ask you, what is your thought about Indian government in supporting
Yeah,
new
of course.
entrepreneurs?
This is like excellent time to be a entrepreneur in India right now, because there are a lot of government policies, a lot of incubation center. Government is trying to push subsidies on various level. Every state has different policies for entrepreneurs. There are so many incubations, accelerator. So entrepreneurs right now need not worry about physical infrastructure. They can just incubate in any of the government approved incubation center and immediately start. And there are a lot of grants available. If you solve a right problem, there are a lot of people who will come and join you on the go. So solving the right problem, identifying the right problem and bringing a solution to that would constitute a good startup story.
Great. All right. Thank you so much for your time and all the very best for your product.
Thank you so much.
Brief interview with the CEO of Physics Motors. Thank you so much for watching.